Nhà mẹ Thanh Quế nhìn trong hợp lớn nhà đã có thành chi con.
Đang nghiêng đâu vậy?
The students are lined up for the race. Please attention. We will also start distributing the prizes to the winners. So right away, we will start with the Goodwood boys. Goodwood boys start race. The winners are Bandra Marvin, 12 Bandra Marvin. Let's hear. Bandra